Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Omaset Trades and I'm Billy Omaset. Okay guys, I posted my last video and I know most of you haven't watched the video because that was my first video on this trading video on this channel. So I'm hoping this journey is going to be amazing. Okay, it's all about trying and being consistent. That's what I've promised myself this year and that's what I'm doing. So this is day 2. Let me say this is day 2 of documenting my journey on a funded account. I have $15,000 funded account with got funded, and this is my second video. Yesterday I did a video. We were on a drawdown, and yeah, I told you guys we are going to try. That was on Friday to make sure that we come back from the drawdown, and I got an amazing trade on Friday during the London session, and it did well. I really appreciate that because I had a profit of around $80 that time, and my overall drawdown was around 200 and something remaining overall drawdown. So I want to show you where we are today, what's our anticipation of the market, because the week is opening tonight from 12 midnight. It is Sunday 23rd, so by tomorrow 24th, it will be 24th August, the market will be open and we'll be looking for more, because I'm documenting this journey until we get our first payout from this got funded account. Okay, it's either we get a payout or not, but I'm promising myself that I have to get a payout from this account. So I'm going to try my level best to make sure that I do. So let me show you where we are and what we anticipating on Euro USD and maybe gold, but mostly I'll be trading Euro USD because gold has done me bad recently. Gold has done me bad. So let me show you the account. This is the standing of the account right now. You see we have that is 15,254. The last video we had 15,080, so we've gained around 100 and something dollars, like I don't know, do the math. So let me show you the trade that we took on Friday that gave us these. Let me show you first. This is the account. This is the account overview. 15,000. You can see it's active, and our overall drawdown right now is at 884. So a bit, we are somewhere. We are somewhere, right? Profit and loss, we are at 254. Okay, and win rate is at 36. So this is where the problem is. You can see the win rate is very low and we're still in profit. But the biggest enemy here, when you are trading these accounts, I had told you earlier on my last video about the consistency rule, is one of the hardest thing. Then most of these pro firm, you'll get, they have a consistency rule, and also they have what's called trailing drawdown. Those things, if you're a beginner, if you're just hopping into funded accounts, make sure that you do your research first on those two things, because getting a withdrawal is going to be a problem. The way I'm struggling, because I was up to $600 on this account and I'm back right now at 254. But because I had one trade, there's one day I got a very amazing trade and I made like $300 a single day. So with accounts that have consistency rule, if you get like $300 in a single day, that means that's going to be 20% of your overall withdrawal. That will be 20% of your overall withdrawal during your payout. If you want to withdraw 300, must be 20%. So that you have to multiply 300 multiplied by 5, right? That will be around 12, like $1,300 or $1,400, right? Like $1,400. So in this account I need $1,400 to be able to request my first payout, and right now we are 254. So let me show you the trade we took on this is Euro USD. You can see Euro USD has been pumping up, and I'm anticipating Euro USD to come to this daily level of 1.2 18039. This is where I'm anticipating gold to come to. Let me show you why I'm anticipating. It's a weekly, not even a daily. Let me take you to a weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame. You can see we had the breakup structure here, okay, on a weekly. So the market is retracing back to come to this supply area that broke this structure on a weekly. So this is a very strong supply. We are waiting for the market here. So right now we were buying until the market reaches this supply area here. So let me show you how I got the trade. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame. So after that, now we had a clue that the market is going up, right? So what we are looking for is buys. So I got my trade here. You see this one here. This is the trade that I caught, this one here. So you can see the market has been going up. I went to 5 minutes time frame. Let me take it 5 minutes time frame. I don't really have to explain a lot, but here we had you see, we had a break of structure here to the upside. Then the market came back, retraced at this zone, but it didn't sweep the liquidity. You can see there's a liquidity forming around this area before going up. It came around this area, failed to break up. It came down again. It pushed up, failed to break up, and I really waited patiently until the time these the sellers pushed down, swept the liquidity around these lows here. Then I took my trade after this liquidity sweep. So that's why I took my trade to the upside. So it was amazing. I got around $260 something that you know, brought the account back. So we are journey. This journey gonna be nice. So let me show you what I'm still anticipating for buys on Euro USD. Let me show you what I'm anticipating for. So you can see here we are on a forward time frame. This is a forward time frame on Euro USD, and we are expecting this market to come to this weekly supply here, so that we can be looking for sales. So right now we are just looking for buys, and you can see the market it broke a structure from this area. See, so it broke a structure, pushed up, it came down, you know, it failed to break here, it came up, it came down. You can see, and this is I don't want to buy from this area, because this area is it's not a discounted zone. If you can see, if you let me get you see, I'm not buying from this area. Why? Again, because it is not a discounted zone on if you use that fib retracement tool. So what I'm waiting for is that this market to come down. I want it to come down and sweep this liquidity, sweep this liquidity, and maybe react from one of the fair value gaps down here, either this fair value gap or this one. Then I'll be looking for buys going up to this zone. So that's what I'm looking next week. So waiting to come down, take it from there, let's go up. So I'm waiting to see what's going to happen this coming week. I'll be risking around 1% of the account, or 0.5% of the account, because right now we have a limit of like 480 maximum drawdown level. So we have to work in between the 480. So that's where I have to divide my trades well, so that I manage my risks, because I don't want to lose this account. I have to get the payout. Okay, the payout has to come from this account. That is around $1,400 something dollars. So one of the biggest mistake I did, and I'll always be here to tell you guys, so that you don't repeat the same mistake. Check on the rules. If you're trading pro farm, make sure that you check on the rules. They do always entice you with good offers and stuff, but they always make sure that these little important rules that they have, it's far away from your eyes. So be keen. I got into the trap. I'm fighting for myself. The trailing drawdown and the 20% consistency rule is literally draining me down. And as a man, you have to fight. But one thing about pro farm, it makes you disciplined. very much discipline. I know so many people are against pro firms. They say that it is better to trade your own money, but try with your own money without discipline, bro. There's nothing you'll be doing. That's why I opted for these funded accounts. So I'm still looking for buys on Euro USD, but I'm waiting for a liquidity sweep, because you can see right now the market is consolidating. Then we want manipulation, then we go with the market up, though that's what I'm waiting for. So let's catch next week, guys, and I'll make sure that I'll update you with every trade we're going to take on this account. If we fail, we fail. We'll buy another challenge. The goal is to make it. That's all. Because me myself, trading has been one of the, I think it's my plan A. I don't have any plan apart from trading. That's why I put all that I have here. Many people will misunderstand you. Many people will not understand your journey. It is you yourself. You know what you want. Okay, so fight for it.